Hey guys, it's Christina from Tangy Soul Line Dancing, coming to bring you another requested instructional. This is Play the Tambourine line dance. Let's jump into it. I'm going to turn my back to you as usual. All right, this line dance starts on your left foot. We're doing a left, right, cha-cha-cha, and a right, left, cha-cha-cha. Let's try that. All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 is the left, right, cha-cha-cha, and a right, left, cha-cha-cha. How you do? All right, everything in this dance starts on the left foot. Just FYI, that will help you know which foot to start with all the time. So we just started with the left foot. We're going to add on, going back to our left foot, we're doing an out in knee, out in knee. All right, we got 4 of those. All right, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, left foot is an out in knee, out in knee, out in knee, out in knee. How you do? Let's add those 2 parts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7 from the top is a left, right, cha-cha-cha, right, left, cha-cha-cha, out in up, out in knee, out in knee, out in knee. How you do? All right. Hopefully you did well. Adding on, we're going to do a front. We're going to step front and back. Of course, using that left foot again. Everything starts on the left foot. So we're going to step in front with the left foot. Swivel your feet to the back. Use that left foot again. Step in front. And you're going to swivel back to the front. This one is not a cha-cha and turn where we go back the same way we came. This one you're making a complete turn, a complete 360 starting this way and turning all the way around. All right? So let's try it to the rhythm. Ready? Using your left foot both times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step left, turn back, step left, turn back. All right? Let's add that to our dance from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8 is a left, right, cha-cha-cha, and a right, left, cha-cha-cha, out and up, out and up, out and up, front and back, front and back. How you do? All right, adding on, this same left foot that you just stepped 2 times, you step once in front, you step that left foot again in the back, and then you're going to step this left foot again to do what we call lundies. Those are cha-chas to the side. So we're going to step this left foot back and do a cha-cha-cha. Step back on the right, then a cha-cha to the right. Step back on the left. All right? Let's try those lundies. Ready? 5, 6, 7 to the left is a cha-cha-cha. Step back. And a cha-cha-cha. Step back. How you do? Let's take it from the top then. Let's do all of it. 5, 6, 7 from the top is a right, left, cha-cha-cha, and a left, right, cha-cha-cha, out and up, out and up, out and up, out front and back, step front, step back, cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, step back on the right, cha-cha-cha, step back on the left. How you do? All right. Adding on. After we do 2 of these lundies, which are cha-cha-cha, step back, then a cha-cha-cha, step back. That same left foot, you're going to step it, step, step. All right, it's a coaster step. We've done coaster. If you're following me, we've done coaster steps before. Remember a coaster step? You step back on a 1, 2, 3. I'm lifting my left foot slightly. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're doing 2 sailors. And when you do a sailor, it's a coaster step to the side. So I'm doing a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You guys pick that other foot up slightly. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. All right? But I have to set that left foot first. When I come out of those cha-chas, I'm doing a cha-cha-cha step back on the right, cha-cha-cha step back on the the left. Then left, coaster, left, coaster. Right. Okay? All right, let's try that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8 is a left, right, chop, 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 and a right, left, chop, 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 and out and up, out and up, out and up, front and back, step front, step back, chop, chops, chop, 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 step back on the right, chop, 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 step back on the left, then left, coaster, left, right, coaster. All right? How you do? All right. Hopefully you did it all right. If not, rewind it and try it again. All right? Let's add on. After I do this step, coaster, step, coaster. My left foot again, I'm going to kick left, right, and twist on the left. Kick right, left, kick, twist on the right. Okay? Let's try those kicks. 5, 6, 7, left foot is a left, right, twist, and a right, left, twist. Yes? And the end of the dance, adding on, the end of the dance. I just ended my last twist on this right foot. I'm going to put it down. Remember I told you everything starts on the left. So you're going to lift that left foot up and step forward. And you're going to go down for 4 counts, jig it down for 4 counts, jig it up for 4 counts, all right? On that 4 going up, I usually kick my foot out because that helps me with my turn, all right? So I got kick left, right, twist, kick right, left, twist, take it down on the left, 2, 3, 4, take it up, 2, 3, kick. All right, I kick because it helps me to put that foot down when I start the dance all over again on the left foot. All right, that's the whole dance. Can we do it from the top? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, left foot is a left, right, chop, 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 and a right, left, chop, 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 out and up, out and up, out and up, front and back, step front and back, chop, 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 step back, and a chop, 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 step back, step, coaster, step, 2 kicks, kick left, right, and a twist, and a right, left, and a twist, take it down on the left, 2, 3, 4, bring it up, 2, 3, 4. All right, to go on to the next wall, this is a 4-wall dance. So I'm going to do the same dance. That means I do the same dance on all 4 walls. This wall, that wall, okay? This dance turns to the right, and you start over with your left foot. Left, right, chop, chop, chop. Okay, when I jig it down on 1, 2, 3, 4, bring it up, 2, 3, kick, down, and a chop, 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 back, and a chop, chop, chop. All right, hopefully you got it. Let's try it with some music, all right? This is Play the Tambourine.